Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Snack Time with Big C. And I am your host, Big C, the king of questionable cuisine. And let's just say today we most certainly have some questionable cuisine. We have mushroom jerky, yes. Not beef, not freaking. What was it? What we did last time? Wild boar jerky. No, this is mushroom jerky. And when I told some people that I was doing this, their initial reaction was, ew, gross. But for me, I was kind of like, really? Yeah, so I was like, people said that, oh, it sounds gross, but I'm like, well, I love mushrooms. And I love beef jerky, so I feel like I should like everything here, right? So this company is called Pan's Mushroom Jerky. So these are how do you say it? Shiitake mushrooms, and this company is let's see, based out of Portland, Oregon, which. If you would have given me 3 guesses to where this would have been from, Portland, Oregon would have probably have been one of my guesses, because I'm going to guess someone most definitely with purple or green hair made this. Or maybe both. But I guess my first guess would have been California. But I'm going to say that if this is a vegan friendly option, you're definitely missing out, because not only are you missing out on meat, you're missing out on money in your wallet, because these were quite expensive. This video you're looking at here with 4 of these, and I bought like a soda and a little like candy thing. It was like almost $40. So I think just for like 4 of these, it was almost $35. They were $7, and I think maybe like 50 cents a piece. So I mean, we're saying 28 plus tax, 30, $32. So averaging about almost $8 a piece with tax. So these were not cheap. What's even crazy about these is like, oh, this has more in it. This just doesn't feel like a lot's in there though. But yeah, let's see here. So this one is so here we have the original salt and pepper, or am I going backwards here? Original, yeah, salt and pepper teriyaki, and then the Applewood barbecue. So, let's see, these are slightly sweet and satisfying, made from simple ingredients: shiitake mushrooms, coconut sugar, avocado oil, Himalayan pink salt, and chai seeds. And yeah, one bag is about 2 servings per container. Okay, so a lot of sodium. Well, 240 milligrams of sodium, 100 calories per serving. So about like, how much is a serving then? Whatever. So yeah. So this is Pan's. I guess it's a vegan option. Yeah, it says here on the back, vegan, plant-based, gluten-free. I mean, we're not here for that. We just like mushrooms. So let's get into it. And I sort of expedited this video because I was like really excited to do it. So this is original. So I'm not sure if they just dehydrate these or what. It smells smells beefy. So let's take a look at one of these. So up front, it looks and feels like beef jerky. It's just the color's different. It's like really dark. So this is like a mushroom stem. So this is Pan's original mushroom jerky. Oh wow, it's really tough. Holy shit. Real tough. Which is why I like beef jerky. That's already stuck in my teeth. Really tough. I don't hate it. I like it. It's definitely like they cut the stems, and they dehydrate them and they season them. And I guess, man, that got all up in my teeth. I guess when you dehydrate them, they come like really tough. So I guess that's where they get like the beef jerky from. But I really don't know what this is going to taste like because, like, wasn't the original something just, are these just plain, I guess? Compared to like salt and pepper. Because I'm almost for certain I taste salt and pepper on those too. Okay, so this says store in a cool, dry place. I say that because I bought them off the shelf at the store, so. Okay, consumed within 2 weeks after opening. So, yeah. So, they're good. If you're a meat lover, you're not gonna, this isn't gonna be a meat substitute for you if that's what you're trying to do. If you're vegan, sure, but like, it definitely tastes like mushroom. It doesn't taste like beef or anything. But then again, like, I love mushrooms because I feel like they sometimes, I'm sorry, man. Oh, we need toothpicks on this channel. Because they feel meaty to me, and I don't know. That's what she said. Yeah, this one has, so this is salt and pepper, and this has the same ingredients that this one has. They're also soy-free, 15 grams of fiber, and they are earth kosher. Plant-based, gluten-free, and vegan. Let's see. After a family visit to Malaysia, I returned home with a recipe I couldn't wait to share with the world. Proudly made in Oregon, Pan's Mushrooms Jerky is a I can't see it with the light. Delicious snack with a satisfying chewy texture and is made from healthy, suitable Shiitake mushrooms. The guy's name is Michael Pan and the Pan family. So yeah. Well, yeah, check these guys out. So this is salt and pepper. Yeah, almost $8 a bag though, so I'm probably not going to go back for it because it's $8 a bag, but that's the thing, like, you guys out there that are like vegan and stuff, like, I'm not saying this company's taking advantage of you, but they definitely, when these companies smack plant-based on it, they've raised the price on it, and it seems like something plant-based should be cheaper than like meat, right? But okay, this is salt and pepper. Mm. They're all sweeter. They all taste sweet. I mean, this is better though because it's. I mean, it's like I said, it's this one, but it's this one right here, but it has more seasoning and salt and pepper on it, so it's really better. I mean, yeah, this is good. These are real good, but I mean, these are better than beef jerky. No, but these are definitely good though. If you like mushrooms, they have a weird. Like specific distinct taste, but they're good. When you dehydrate them, it definitely makes it tough. So, but I mean that looks like a piece of beef jerky. It does have this like earthy taste to it for sure. But when they dehydrate it though, I feel like, you know, when you dehydrate stuff, just somehow it makes it sweeter. A few years ago, we dehydrated some cucumber, and afterwards, it was almost like sweet. So, the dehydrating process is very interesting. So, like with this, you know, it definitely. But then again, they claim that they use coconut sugar, so I mean they obviously put sugar in it, but when you dehydrate stuff, it definitely like it gets like a sweeter taste to it. That's just me. I don't know about you, but so now we got teriyaki. So teriyaki is like my go-to for jerky. I would sometimes prefer salt and pepper. The problem is they don't really have salt and pepper. Usually it's just pepper, and man, they will just put way too much pepper in it, and it just kills it. Like when I had those Miss Vicky's, those aged cracked pepper and cheddar, those are good because you get like a nice pepper flavor, and they don't like just kill the back of your throat. So a lot of beef jerky, when they pepper it, I mean they put like a whole bottle of pepper on it, and it's just like it's too much. So I typically go with something like teriyaki. This is teriyaki. Which, I mean, I always get like chicken mushroom teriyaki, so so this says orange peel, garlic powder, garlic sea salt, teriyaki seasoning, and then all the stuff they have listed off to the side. So not a lot of ingredients. So if I'm being honest, so it tastes just like the salt and pepper ones. There's like a stem. So it's the stems. This one, however, this one's the best one. After that piece, there was something with that piece that was like really good. This tastes like steak. I mean, these companies are definitely trying to make fake meat. It is good though. I'd rather have steak, but there's something with this teriyaki one. It has a beefy, steaky flavor to it. Man. And it's good. The issue is, these are almost $8, so. And again, you know, beef jerky not cheap either these days. Beef jerky like this size is like half the price. It's like $4, maybe $5, not $8. But yeah, beef jerky is not cheap either. So if you really want to save the animals, I'm still gonna eat beef. So this is Applewood BBQ. Look, here on Snack Time with Big C, we promote any kind of snack, whether it's a screaming freaking piece of raw cow meat, or that's literally mooing at you, or if you want a vegan snack. We love snacks. We love food. We will try all sorts of kind of food, but we are definitely pro meat. So this is Applewood. You want to be a vegan, fine, but I support local farmers. But, you know, I love doing stuff like this. This is the favorite stuff for me that I review on the channel, because had I not done a channel, I would like never try stuff like this, you know. Yeah. These are all good. I would buy this. I don't know, what it takes to make this, but if these were, pans, if you're listening, if you could make these like a couple dollars cheaper, which I know that's a lot of money, but they'd be a lot more worth it, I think. Like $7.50, about what they were. If you can make these $4 or $5, I know everyone watching this is like, oh, yeah, right, but because I don't think the demographic out there that would get something like this is probably gonna pay almost $8 for one of these. But you have something here, Pans, in my opinion. For someone like me who likes mushrooms, I typically like mushrooms on like pizza, but like you have something here that's like pretty good. I think it's a little pricey, but nevertheless, these are good. Teriyaki wins, but they're all good, so none of these were bad. If you like mushrooms, if you like shiitake mushrooms, if you like mushrooms, you'll like this. If you're someone who doesn't like mushrooms, then obviously you're not gonna like this. But if you are like someone who likes mushrooms, like in soup or stews or any sort of like Asian dish with like ramen or whatever, you'd probably like these. We also have that demographic of people that are like, oh my gosh, this mushroom jerky sounds so good, and then they would never try this, but we're missing out. So it's weird, but Panji did a really good job. These are great. For someone like myself who likes mushrooms. Now, I'm a beef guy myself, but like I said, I support local farmers. Go out there, eat meat, But like I said, I like to try everything, and these were very good. I would maybe prefer beef, but these are great. And I think if you can lower the price of these, they're a winner in my book. So that's my video. I hope you enjoyed it. We've got some more. We got some more videos coming. I'm still working on our Pickle Palooza and our America's Most Hated. We have Poppy, we got beer, we've got tea, so all sorts of stuff on deck. So hope you're enjoying the content. We've got some fishing videos we're working on. More like some lure review videos. So yeah, guys, thank you for joining me, and I'm your host, Big C, and this is Snack Time with Big C, and y'all take care.
Snack Time with Big C. Beer foam dripping on my Dodgers tee. Sardines, jerky, chips, and grease. The king